Hello everyone and very warm welcome to very first session of our comprehensive web design course here at Ertano. I'm absolutely thrilled to have you here. If you have ever sat in front of your computer looking at beautiful websites and thinking, I wish I could build something like that, but I'm not a programmer, then this course is made especially for you. We are starting a journey today where I will take you from absolute zero, even if you are never heard of a server or a line of code, or you don't know what is domain name, you don't know what is hosting, to launching a fully functional, high quality professional website. The most common question I get is, do I really need a website in 2026? Do I need a website in AI era? And with all the social media platforms available, some people think a profile is enough. But here is the truth we believe in at Ertano. Social media is rental land or a rented land. You are building your empire on someone else's platform. And if the algorithm changes, or if the platform decides to restrict you, reach your entire business is at risk. A website, however, is your own land, and it is your digital headquarters where you make your rules. You make the rules for your own platform, and it provides a level of credibility and professional trust that social media and simple bio cannot match. It's your 24/7 salesperson working for you while you're out, while you're eating, while you are fast asleep, And now let's demystify how a website actually works. I'm gonna teach you fast and simple how to build a website, how a website works. I like to explain it using the house analogy. For example, to have a home, you need three things. First, you need an address so people can find your home. For example, you are living in California and your home address is 101, for example, Digital Street, and California, USA. Yeah. And so you have to address people to find your home. So first, you need an address. In the digital world and in your website, this is your domain name. It's your unique name that it's available on the internet. For example, Ertano, Google, Facebook, Instagram, ertano.com, google.com, facebook.com, instagram.com, youtube.com, and that's it. That's your website address, and we call it domain name. This is your website address. In the future lessons, I will tell you how to register your domain name, how to rent it, how to get your own address. I will tell you completely and simply to how to make your website. And this is the first session. In the first session, I'm just teaching you to how website works. We will explain it completely in the next lessons. Second, you need a plot of land to build the house on. You want to have your home, so you need a plot of land to build your house on. That's your hosting. Hosting is essentially a powerful computer that stays on forever, storing all your images, texts, and files, and so the world can see them. Somebody wants to connect to your website, and somebody wants to see an image on your website. So you need a hosting to host your files, your texts, your videos, your images, and somebody can connect to this computer and see these files. And the world can see them through your hosting computer. and I will tell you how to rent or how to build your hosting for your website. Yeah, you need the house itself, the walls, the roof, and the interior design. That's where WordPress comes in. WordPress is our site builder, our home builder, a platform that makes your home's walls, your cabinets, your kitchen, your home appliances, and that's WordPress. Yeah, to build your website, you need WordPress to build your website design. It's the framework that allows you to design beautiful layouts and add features without ever touching a single piece of confusing code. So to build your website, you don't need to write a single line of code. You don't need coding, you don't need to know programming, and that's why we are using WordPress to build our website. And I will tell you how to install WordPress, how to install WordPress themes, plugins. I will tell you all of this in the next sessions. I know what some of you are thinking, doesn't this cost thousands of dollars? That's a huge misconception, yeah? And if you go to a high-end agency, a web design agency, yes, they might charge you for a basic website, yeah, maybe thousands of dollars, maybe hundreds of dollars. But here at Ertano, our goal is to empower you to do it yourself. By following this course, you will realize that the actual cost of starting a professional website is incredibly low, and you are essentially only paying for the land and the address, your hosting and your domain name, which often costs less than a few cups of coffee per month, or maybe per year. And you get to keep the extra money and invest it back into your business, on your ideas, or maybe to pay for your employees, yeah? So you can grow your business faster with this course, yeah. You can make your own website with a low cost, and you don't need to pay extra money to digital agencies. Or maybe if you want to be a digital agency, if you want to be a web designer and make websites for others and charge them, you can see this course and be a web designer. Because here at Ertano, I want to teach you to how to be a webmaster. A webmaster is somebody who can make websites, can build websites, improve websites, and make better websites for businesses or for your own business. Yeah. And in this course, we are not just going to talk about theories. We are just going to take action. Yeah. And we are designed these sessions to be bite-sized and practical. So we will go through a process of choosing a name that sticks, picking a hosting provider that won't let you down, and installing WordPress with just one click. From there, we will move into the creative side, choosing colors, fonts, layouts that make your brand stand out. Yeah, you don't need a degree in computer science to be successful here. All you need is a bit of time and willingness to follow along step by step. By the time we will finish this series, and you won't just have a website, you will have the skills to manage it, I'm not just going to tell you how to build a website. I want to tell you how to build a professional webmaster, how to build websites, how to manage websites, how to update websites, and how to grow it for years to come, And sorry, I'm glad you have ever chosen Ertano, to to be your guide in this process. In our next session, we are going to dive straight into first practical step, how to find and register that perfect domain name and how to get your hosting set up correctly for first time. Then you can make your second website and you can try to make more websites. Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun, and I want you to stay tuned, get your ideas ready, and let's start building your digital future together. Yeah, stay tuned for the next session. In the next session, I will tell you how to find a good domain name and how to register it for your website. Thank you, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, because here I will tell you how to build, manage, and optimize your own website. Thank you.